Sogeti India, a global delivery center to the group. Present for more than a decade in 7 cities over 15 centers. Having more than 40,000 people catering over 500 clients globally. Operating 24/7, delivering complex business across diverse industries and functions. A hub of innovation for the entire group through domain and technology centers of excellence. Microsoft Breakthrough Lab for practical, hands-on training on various Microsoft technologies.
Hello my French colleagues, hope you're doing fine today. First of all, I want to thank all of you for the business that you gave for all these years. It's been a pleasure working with you. We know the challenges that you face in your market today. On one hand, you want to grow, on the other hand, you want to make more money. And you have your clients who are asking you to service them in newer technology areas. In this situation, it's not going to be easy. Hence, I welcome you to leverage Sogeti India as your preferred global delivery partner to meet your customer challenges. Would love to see more and more customers from France coming to India and visiting us. Once again, thanks a lot for your business. Merci beaucoup.
What do clients expect from us? First, our clients want to use the new technologies to interact and serve better their own clients. And they expect from us that we help and support them to make that happen. The second thing clients expect from us is that we do things faster, cheaper and better. Today I'm in our office in Mumbai in India, and India is in the heart of those 2 important trends for our clients. At one end, India is the base where we develop offerings and we develop know-how in those areas where clients use those new technologies, like cloud, collaboration, mobile, security and so on. The second reason that India is in the heart of that is that India is the base for a lot of our delivery. The better we can create leverage on offshore and the smarter we can do our work, the faster and the better and the cheaper we can produce solutions for our clients. That's the reason I'm here, and that's the reason I want to share this with you on this video from India.
Business intelligence is data migration, enterprise content management, master data management, analytics and dashboard. We have a diversified skill working across multiple projects and multiple geographies. The skills are Microsoft, Teradata, DataStage, Informatica and Cognos. I'll request you to use India to deliver the BEAM projects in your country to establish the BEAM practice.
We have a global testing practice with 10,000 testing professionals across the globe, and 80% of them have experience working on different testing processes and tools. We have standardized testing methodologies like TMAP and TPI, and we leverage best practices from those on our projects. We provide end-to-end test service offerings with offerings ranging from business-driven testing to transformation-related services like TPI and setting up testing COEs, to technology-based services like automation and performance testing.
Remote infrastructure management services has been highest growing area, especially in the current economic downturn. Besides high service level, we commit on industrialization, automation, and cost improvement in operations. We have been providing these services to more than 35 clients, including leading industrial gas manufacturer from France. Our factory-based approach, especially in packaging factory, enables our customers in mutualized delivery model, more flexibility and more scalability depending on the business needs. Our Security Operations Center provides critical services to services and financial sector companies in vulnerability analysis, security monitoring and incident management services. When you think about infrastructure services from offshore, you should think about RAIM, Security Operations Center and Packaging Factory.
As part of the mobile app factory offering, we set up collaborative client dedicated team to realize their mobile strategy and workshop with industrialized high performance ride-share delivery. As part of managed mobility, we offer a complete solution starting from infrastructure, application license, and essential support services.
We are a group of 42,000 employees poised to grow to 75,000 over the next 3 years. With our group university, we provide you the state-of-the-art learning facilities that fosters capability building, knowledge sharing, and cultural integration. With over 1,000 interviews taking place every month, we are those that can provide you accelerated careers in the latest technologies, including mobile applications, sterling commerce, business intelligence, and more.
We have been working closely for the last 5 years. I will be your point of contact for leveraging India capabilities in expanding our footprint in the French market. I look forward in working closely with you as partners in growth. Thank you.